Continuing on with the project, this Nepalese Brunswick rifle, part 3 of the series, will comprise of the removal, cleaning, and reassembly of the lock. See if we can actually get this out of here without any major difficulty. That screw is going to give us trouble, I can already tell. Let's start over on this side. I'm going to take a closer look at that, pause the video for a moment, and we'll be right back. Alright, I think we're just going to need a two-handed approach. We can apply a little more downward pressure on this screw. See if I can keep this in frame while we pull this out. See if we can free up this lock. We'll wiggle it back a little bit. Sometimes these will loosen up and do that. Sometimes you got to give them a little bit of help. Sometimes just tossing the screw back in and give them a little whack with the screwdriver. Get these locks work loose. Being a little stubborn, we're going to pause the video so I can get a better angle here, and we'll be right back. Alright, as I suspected, some of these locks on back action locks have to be set to half cock, otherwise the mainspring interferes with the lock mortise. So, here we have the lock. Entirely handmade. It's quite remarkable, the level of skill required to do that. Many people consider these Nepalese manufactured guns to be of crude manufacture, and while they are in terms of a modern industrial manufacturing standpoint, the level of skill required to produce a lock for a firearm by hand is beyond what many people would have any reasonable capability of doing today. So we'll get this one disassembled, we'll get it cleaned up, and that'll be the next step in this project. I just wanted to point out additionally here the bare wood in the lock mortise and in the barrel channel, not been oiled or contaminated with oil or grease. I suspect it might be likely that this gun may never have even been apart, since it was manufactured in the 1840s or 1850s. Hard to say exactly, but you would expect to see oil and grease built up under the wood line on a firearm this age.